Meaning of flare-up.
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 Flare-up. A flare-up refers to a sudden and intense outbreak or re-emergence of a problem or conflict that had previously subsided or seemed to be resolved. This term is often used in the context of medical conditions, such as a flare-up of arthritis symptoms or a respiratory flare-up in patients with asthma. The result of a flare-up can be very detrimental, causing significant pain, discomfort or disruption to daily life activities. In some cases, a flare-up can lead to hospitalization or the need for more intensive treatment.